Okay, question 1D. Polythene is a polymer made from ethene. Polythene is used to make plastic bags. Table 2 is from a life cycle assessment comparing paper bags and plastic bags. Table 2 here, so we've got the raw material, we've got paper bags made from wood, plastic bags oil. Okay, we've got a variety of different information here about plastic bags and paper bags. Evaluate which type of bag is more environmentally friendly. Use data from table 2 and your own knowledge to support your answer. Okay, and it's worth a total of 6 marks. So it's going to be 6 bullet points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I've run out a bit of space there. In reality, remember, you probably get more room than this. I've just made these answer areas slightly smaller to fit them on the page. Because it's an evaluate, we know that the last 2 bullet points will be a conclusion and justification. Okay, so what's our conclusion and why do we think that? Evaluates are really a kind of a compare plus. Okay, so we can kind of think of them as compare plus. So the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to make comparisons. I'm going to make 4 comparisons about plastic bags and paper bags. This makes it quite straightforward because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different things here. I'm going to try to make sure that I use some of my own knowledge as well where I can. So let's start off with the first comparison. So paper bags are made from renewable sources. Now, at the moment, that's not a comparison. Plastic bags are not. And we're trying to add some of my own knowledge here. Renewables will not run out. Okay, I know that non-renewables will run out, but renewables will not. Okay, that's going to make them more sustainable in the long term. The energy used to make, so more energy needed to make paper bags. Now it says here use data, doesn't it? So I'm going to make sure I put some data in. 1.7 megajoules compared to 1.5 megajoules. Okay, because I said more energy, that's fine, that's a comparative word there. So what does that mean? How can I add any more information there? Well, because they require more energy, that means they need more electricity. I mean, it's also, I think probably I could probably leave it at that. Actually, that's quite important in its own right. Solid waste produced. Okay, so wood. So paper bags, sorry. So paper bags make more solid waste. And again, I'm going to put some numbers in there. So 50 grams compared to 14 grams. Okay, well, is that an issue or not? Well, that is, because that means there's more waste to get rid of. So this means more waste to get rid of. Remember, we're talking here, everything is about the environmentally friendly. So what issues are there that might affect the environment for each of these? And I need to find 4 of them before I make my conclusion. I've got 2 more things to talk about, not to mention. So I've got, it's carbon dioxide, sorry, one more thing, carbon dioxide. So plastic bags produce more carbon dioxide. Sorry, actually making, I should say. Yeah, making is our making, aren't they? Making plastic bags produces more carbon dioxide. So let's just put some numbers in there again. So 0.53 kilograms compared to 0.23. Okay, so what do I know about that? Well, I know this carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Okay, so I've now got to come to a conclusion. Which one do I think is the best? I mean, this is a tricky one, isn't it? There's lots of reasons here why you could pick either one, I guess. I'm going to say in this case, actually, that plastic bags are better. Because one thing that we're not mentioning here is we're not mentioning that we can reuse and recycle. So actually bags for life are a really big thing right now. So the lovely thing with this is I can just write, I think that plastic bags are better for the environment. This is because they can be reused and recycled, so don't need to be made as often. Okay, I can also think, well, actually, as I'm doing this, I can also think, well, they're waterproof. There's nothing stopping you adding extra bits here. They're also waterproof, which is another advantage. Waterproof and stronger. Okay, so another reason why we might not need so many of them. Okay, it's quite a lot of to write there, but definitely a 6-mark answer.